Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to do an advanced search on LinkedIn. If you want to do an advanced search on LinkedIn, follow these easy steps. Open LinkedIn and log in. Go to linkedin.com and log in into your account. Click on the search bar. At the top of the LinkedIn homepage, click the search bar. Enter keywords related to your search. Type a job title, company, skill, or person's name you're looking for. Press enter to see initial results. Hit enter to view a list of results based on your keyword. Click on all filters. On the search result page, click on job to reveal the option. The all filters. Look for the all filters button to refine your search. Apply location and industry filters. Select a specific location and choose the industry. Use company and job title filters. Narrow down results by specific job titles. Then hit show once you are done to reveal the results. Sort by relevance or recent activity. Choose between most relevant, best match results, or most recent post, jobs, or people. Save or follow interesting profiles. Click follow to track updates, or save to bookmark profiles for later. Now, you can perform an advanced search on LinkedIn to find the right people, jobs, or companies with precision. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.